Yeah. Hey. My second YouTube thing on this channel. Go me! Yeah, well, today I've just come out of the shower. Ha! Yeah, and then I decided to draw cat whiskers on my face. Yeah. Yeah, today I've been asked to talk about my friend Lauren Turner. Lauren Turner, what a friend. No, yeah. This is really getting weird talking to myself. I feel really lonely. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Lauren Turner. She's a friend. She's blonde. She can sing. She's like best friends with this girl I like. Like. Yeah. So put your hands down my pants and I bet you feel nuts. Yeah. Yeah. When it's 37. I video my cat. I video all my things on Picker Sucker Free. But yeah, so I tried everything else, it didn't work. I just used to directly upload them, but my phone went. So yeah. Yeah, my other YouTube channel. That light just turned on outside, it's really freezing. Yeah, my other YouTube channel got like deleted, so I needed to do a new one, but I completely forgot about it. And one day I was like, I'll make a new one. Yeah. I have money. Yeah. I need to put these things on my face. But I can't. I'm getting like acne on my forehead. I don't want acne. Song about acne. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. My face. Yeah. Wait, I wonder if it will wipe off my cat whiskers. Does it wipe off my cat whiskers? Oh, kinda does. My cat whiskers. No. Bye bye. At least I don't have to go to school tomorrow with them. That would be funny. Yeah. Hi to all my school peeps if anyone actually watches. I think John does, or Drew. Yeah. They is cool, lad. They is sick. Yeah, well. Lauren Turner. Yeah, I'm hurrying, Lauren Turner. No, I'm recording it right now. Yeah. 3.5 minutes. Have I bored you already? If you're like still watching me, yeah, type in Schwarzenegger down there in the comments box, and no, that way. It's that way, and that could be the new question of the day. Well, it's a new thing that's gonna be happening. Yeah, well, I'll try and upload loads of videos. Yeah, it's been nice. Camera. I will see you later. Bye. I'm waving. It feels like a sophisticated wave. Waving. I have to be really slow on my camera. Yeah. 4.5 minutes. God. Bye.